The NB Network with Dee's Fodder.
Hey, it's me, Dee. Welcome to the NB Network. And how are you doing today, my friend? I hope you're doing well. Just know I care. You have a friend out here, all right? Now today, we're going to be unboxing Goddess Provisions. I like this box, usually. And this is really heavy this time. And I don't know the theme. I haven't done any sneak peeks because, this time I wanted to surprise myself and see what happens. It's been sitting. It arrived yesterday, and yeah, I haven't opened it yet. That's harsh. That's hard. But I did it. So first off, let's go in and let's learn a little bit about Goddess Provisions and how you can get this box. Or if you want to skip ahead, go to the next chapter where I will be unboxing it. And Tabitha, I'll remember. I promise to put chapters in this time. I see you. I love you. So, Goddess Provisions. Now, this is not, I'm not sponsored or affiliated. This is not PR, okay? So, I just want to put that out there before I go into talking about this box. Goddess Provisions, it's a monthly subscription of $33 a month. And I do have a referral link, which I will put down below for you. Now, this box, it promises crystals, ritual tools, self-care, altar adornments, sacred space decor, divination tools, jewelry, spiritual books, and so on. And they usually, it's between 5 and 7 items that they promise. I swear I need to get a new chair. Well, this is a new chair, and it's like squeak, squeak, squeak. Do you hear that? Yeah. It's a little weird. Okay, let's get back up to it. There is 5 to 7 items in a box. And all the items are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. So that is a plus. So I know what I'm getting in here is vegan and cruelty-free. And so, without further ado, now that you know a little bit of facts, let's jump in and see what's inside. Well, that was horrifying. It was a fresh cup of coffee, and it was really hot. I was trying to fix the lid. Spilt it all over me. Ooh, sorry about that. This time we really are getting into unboxing Goddess Provisions. So, let's see. Woo! It is fragrant. Very fragrant. And, of course, there's a sneak peek. Let's dive inside. Okay. So, usually there is a card, but they always put the card on the bottom because, that's what they like to do. All right, I got to the bottom of this. So, cute card. It looks like crystals is our theme. Stickers of crystals. Usually their stickers are nicer. This looks like it's cheaply made. Like they just put this on a printer. I mean, I appreciate them, but yeah, not as nice as what they usually have. Okay, yeah, I had to dig everything out to try and get to this card. I wish they put it on the top. You think you could do that for us? Okay, so gosh, this chair is just so squeaky today. I need some WD-40. All right, so the first thing in here, this must be a bath bomb. Now, the last bath bomb I got that had promised a crystal in it, was that in Tamed Wild? I forget, but there was no crystal. Yeah, but this one, it's a crystal bar soap bath bomb. This magical cloud has a colorful surprise and a crystal hidden inside. Really? Is there really going to be a crystal this time? Okay, so that bath bomb is just a little too strong for me. I'm putting it away from me. Woo, that is strong. But this bath bomb, the price of it is a $10 value. And yeah, here's the thing. It's lavender, spearmint, and eucalyptus oils. Beautiful scents. Strong, man. It's like clean out my sinuses strong. I'm like, oh. And I know my wife is going to love using that. All right, let's see what else I've got here. This is, a Spirit Stone Crystal Grid microfiber cloth. Clean your glasses and screens with the magic of microfiber. This cloth portrays a powerful crystal grid that features quartz, garnet, and calcite to summon passion, protection, and courage. It's a $7 value. Wait, you know what? I just got new glasses, right? Now I got a new cloth to go clean my glasses with. Oh, yeah. Let me open this up. My hands still smell like the bath bomb, and I never even opened it. It was just, this is really a nice, soft cloth. All right. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. That'll be nice on my glasses. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. This is a rose quartz eye soother facial massage tool. Okay, this is different from any of the others I've gotten. I'm trying to get it out because it looks really neat. This is a $40 value. Treat yourself with a do-it-yourself facial with the stone of self-love and compassion. Use light pressure to reduce swelling, minimize dark circles, and soothe tension around your eyes. That does, man, I get so much tension around my eyes. It's really bad. I can't get it out, though. You know what? I think it's came out now. Let's see here. Oh, folks, I love nice, cool, cold crystal. That feels so nice. Yeah, this is going to be a new fave of mine. Let me just tell you. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, okay. I know. I got to stop. I love these facial quartz crystal stuff. I've gotten quite a few of them, but I use them and I like them. So that's a plus. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, wow. Looks like a bunch of tumble stones. Really pretty crystals here. This is, I don't even see it listed. Huh. Oh, maybe it goes with this. This is a crystal ritual water bottle, rose quartz and clear crystal. Because these are rose quartzes and clear crystal. Clear crystal. I can talk. Let's see here. All right. So I've seen like really huge water bottles where you put crystals in. This is not one of those huge ones, but it's really cute. It's ritual water. I guess, okay, you put the crystals in here and the water. And let's see here. There's this, fill with purified H2O and place in the sun or moonlight to charge your water with crystal energy. Tuck an affirmation underneath for extra good vibes. Oh, that is really cool. Make your own ritual. Drink the water. Douse your plants. Cleanse sacred spaces. Nice. This is really cute. This is nice. And this water bottle with the crystals is a $44. Oh, yeah. It shows a little tiny picture with the crystals next to the bottle. Okay. So that's all. 1, 2, 3. And it comes with another digital bonus, as they always do. Healing with crystals. Enliven your crystal practice with Evangeline, and she's got a guide, and that guide is worth $11.11. So this is different kind of crystal theme that I'm not I've not seen before. You got the facial crystals. You've got the bath bomb with crystals. You have the water bottle with the crystal. You have a cloth to clean your glasses with the crystal grid on it. These are nice things. I'm not like wow-wowed, but I'm happy. I like this. Everything in here. I did mention the facial tool, right? I don't remember. They were all items that, I can get behind. I'm going to have fun with. This right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And the new moon was this morning. So I can put this out and get some empowered water. That'll be fun. That is about it. Let's round up and let's see if we got our value, how much this was worth, and compared to how much I paid. And I'll just kind of wrap things up. Let's do that. I wasn't feeling, I didn't get that high energy of, wow, I'm so excited about this. But I am. On this. I wish this was a little bigger. This is kind of a small water bottle. But I'm going to use it. I'm happy to have it. And the crystals to go with it. This is really nice. I like that you can take the crystals out and take care of them. That is cool. I like this glass cloth. It is nice. It's always good. I'm always losing cloths. So it's good to have a new one, especially with my new glasses. I really, really like this. I'm not a big fan of that bath bomb. It's just a strong. But for me, it's not. But my wife absolutely loves bath bombs. So she, it's going to have a good place for it, The value of this is where I want to get into. I paid $33 and everything without the digital upload would total $106. So I saved $73. Do I feel like I saved $73 with this stuff here? Yeah, I do. I really do. Now, if you include the digital upload, then it'd be $117.11. So you would have saved $84.11. I think they're giving you, I think you get a good value. You are getting a good value. And these are things that are useful. They're not, sometimes you get decorations, which I do like the decorations. I do. You might see stuff hanging around. But this is all like things that I would like to have got. I've always wanted to think about getting certain things, but never did. So it's nice that, I could try this instead of going for the big, huge, fancy, bottles that are like over $100. This is a good starting point to see if I'm really interested in doing something more like this, because I'm tempted. We'll see, right? We'll see. So I will be able to figure out if I want to spend more and get the larger bottles that I've seen. So yeah, this is a good stepping stone. I'm feeling the vibe of this box. I can. It does kind of have a spring feel, although I would have expected more like gardening stuff for a spring. Maybe I'll get that in April. How many of you garden? I garden. I love to garden. Oh my goodness. And it's like plotting what's going to be in our garden this year already. And I'm excited to see my cat.
Would you stop it, Angela?
Everybody is asleep in the house, and poor Angie, she's lonely. Oh my gosh, sorry. I keep getting interrupted. But no, seriously, I'm looking forward to gardening. I'm looking forward to spring. I hope next month they give us some gardening stuff. I'd love to see that in this Goddess Provisions box. This video is probably going to be short, sweet, and, I love you guys. Please be kind to yourself and be kind to others. I love you. Bye.